In animated particle network, the connecting dots background you see on landing pages everywhere is one of the most requested effects in front-end. And it needs no library. We'll build it in plain canvas 2D with TypeScript, scaffolded, and run from the command line, about 60 lines. Here it is, a field of points drifting around, with a line drawn between any two that come close, fading as they drift apart. It reacts to the window size, runs forever, and drops into any page as a background. The whole thing is one loop. Move each point a little, bounce it off the edges, then connect the nearby ones. Closer points get a brighter line, farther ones a fainter line. That distance fade is what makes it read as a living network instead of a tangle. Same setup as before. In TypeScript, npm create Vite with the vanilla TS template. Install. And that's it for dependencies. A particle network is plain canvas 2D, so there's no library to add at all. There's the structure, a TS config, and a src folder with main.ts. Index.html is just a full-screen canvas, and the module script. Now main.ts. Grab the canvas and its 2D drawing context. A few constants. How many particles, the distance at which we connect them, and a speed. Each particle is just an x, a y, and a velocity. Size the canvas to the window. Then fill an array with particles at random positions and random velocities. The frame function clears the canvas to the dark background each tick. Move every particle by its velocity, and flip that velocity when it hits an edge so they bounce around inside the window. Here's the network. Check every pair of points. If they're closer than the threshold, draw a line between them and fade it with distance, so far apart points connect only faintly. Then draw the particles themselves as small dots on top. Request the next frame to keep it animating and kick the whole thing off. Run it with npm run dev, and the network drifts and connects on its own. And that's the effect, in about 60 lines of canvas, with no dependencies. Drop the canvas behind your content, and you have a living background that costs nothing but a script tag. Three things to remember. First, Canvas 2D needs no library. You call getContext, then draw each frame yourself. Second, the network is just every pair of points checked against a distance threshold. Third, fading the line with distance is what sells the effect. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more browser builds, drop a comment with what you'd build next, and share it with someone learning to code.